Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is boat. Boat is an A1 level noun, and it means a small watercraft. We use boat to describe a vehicle that travels on water, typically smaller than a ship. You might see boats in a lake, a river, or the sea. Think of a small vessel you might go fishing in, or take a short trip across a waterway. Now, let's look at some synonyms for boat. One is vessel, although vessel can also describe larger ships. For example, the small fishing vessel returned to the harbor. Another synonym is craft, which is a very general term for something that is built. That sailing craft looks very elegant. Now for antonyms. While there isn't one perfect antonym for boat, words like car or airplane, which travel on land and air respectively, offer contrasting meanings. For example, I prefer traveling by car rather than by boat when I need to move quickly, or the airplane was much faster than the boat would have been. So, how can we use boat in everyday life? Well, you might say, I'm going to take a boat trip on the lake this weekend, or he owns a small boat for fishing. We often hear expressions like miss the boat, which means you missed an opportunity. You might say, she missed the boat on getting tickets to that concert. Other examples include, they rowed the boat across the river, or we saw a beautiful boat sailing at sunset. Here are a few phrases using the word boat. A fishing boat, a small boat, take a boat trip, on the boat. To summarize, today we learned that boat is an A1 level noun, which means a small watercraft. We explored synonyms like vessel and craft, and contrasting words such as car and airplane. We saw many ways it can be used in daily conversation. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. And now, I encourage all of you to create your own sentence using the word boat and share it in the comments below this episode. Until next time, happy learning!